Hey, how's it going, guys? Kat right here. I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to show you how wonderful polymeric sand is, because it is basically has a ceramic chemical in it that helps the sand really bind, and also it makes it a little bit flexible. So polymeric sand is something that I've been using for quite a while now. I have it in our patio, I've done these stairs, but it is really awesome. So stick around, I'll show you how polymeric sand works. See, here we got my stones, we got the polymeric sand in the bag here. I love this canopy because it's got this wall here for us, but of course we got the water hose. You have to have water to make polymeric sand work. Those stones I bought from Home Depot are 2 inches, and I got 3 inches deep in each one of these little stone holes. So yes, I gotta put 1 inch of sand. Okay, well now Josh and Shiloh are putting those stones on top. You have to kind of shove them underneath, squiggle it until it gets under there, and then you gotta lay it flat, and then sometimes you gotta move it around a little bit, shove some dirt or the sand in certain places to make sure it gets flat as possible. The edges and inside the creases around the stones. So the next step to the stair project is to take my broom and just go over the top of those stones, get it out of the cracks as best as possible, and get it off of the stones as best as possible. So excited, I am on the last step. The polymeric sand is all where it needs to be. Now I just need to get it wet. And you gotta follow the manufacturer's instructions really close when you're laying the polymeric sand and then helping it set with some water. So I'm so excited about this. Once you've gotten all those chemicals wet, and you just let them stay and do their magic. Make sure to not touch it. We did this closer to the evening so it could solidify overnight. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I absolutely love polymeric sand. This stuff is great. I love how flexible it is. And now that we're all done doing our work, we're gonna go do some playtime. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.